Hello. Today we will discuss this lesson 5 and page number 14, and we will start with this 5 minutes quick review. Tell which number is greater. So the first question, it's 21 or 32. 32 is 58 or 65 is greater, like this. 120 is greater than 99, and 253 is greater than 235. Okay, so you must tell which number is greater. We are finished, and we will continue with our new topic. And the new topic is order numbers. How tall? The table lists the heights of 3 mountains in the world. Which mountain is the tallest? Use the number line to order the numbers. As you can see, here is the mountain heights. What's important here, that we have continent, and here is this mountain, it's missing, and the height. We see Europe, Asia, and America. And this is the mountain, Alpine, Himalaya, Andes. And there are 3 numbers. These numbers we must put in this table, number line. We must put here, and you can see this. They are here in this number line, and you see that 4,807 is less than 6,959 and less than 8,848. So we must read which they are and see. So Himalaya mountain in Asia is the tallest. This is this. Okay? And they write, you can order numbers by comparing the digits in place value positions. Good. It was so the next task, example order. We must order these 3 numbers, and we have step number 1. We will compare thousands. We have here 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. The digits, they are the same. After second step, we will compare hundreds. We will compare these hundreds here, and you see they are not the same. So it means we will write these numbers from the greatest to least. The greatest number is this, and the smallest is, the least is this. So our idea, mathematical idea, order numbers by comparing the digits in the same place value position from the left to right. List the number from least to greatest or greatest to least. Okay.